all of this. All of this soda. Let's just open it first. Okay, it's open. Ow. Okay, I cut myself. Okay. Anyways, 3, 2, 1.
That's what happens when you want to go out and have fun, and then you gotta get up next morning.
Okay, drink all of it. Bye.